Thursday. All right, beta. In a very brief note, I would like to repeat the yesterday's lecture first. Then I'll be continuing with the internal linking. Okay. So what is a hyperlink? Beta, hyperlink means a link between web pages. You people access internet. You people access Instagram, Facebook, all the social media profiles. Many times you come across certain highlighted words which are blue in color, which are underlined. Clicking upon those words, you get connected to some other page. These highlighted words, they are called hyperlinks. What is the benefit of hyperlinks? Hyperlinks enables us to connect to different web pages. You are in one web page. From the same web page, you can get connected to other pages. Right? Clear? Now, how many types of linking are there? Beta, there are mainly three type of linkings. External link, internal link, and mail to. External link, internal link, and mail to. There are three type of linking available in HTML. Yesterday we did the external link. What is the role of external link? External link help us to connect to different web page. The external link help us to connect to different web page. You are in one web page. आप एक वेब पेज के अंदर हो, आपने किसी हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक किया, उस हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक करने के बाद आप किसी और वेब पेज के साथ कनेक्ट हो गए, एक और नई विंडो खुल गई, एक और नया वेब पेज खुल गया. That is the role of external linking. Am I clear up till here? Chahat, Madhav, Akshit, Daksh, am I clear to all of you? Madhav of 10th A, am I clear to you, beta? Chahat of 10th D, okay, fine, good. So, how to create the command for external link? I just open the notepad over here. Is notepad window visible to everybody? 10th class, is notepad window visible to everyone? All right. I type here one command, anchor tag, a tag, href attribute equal to the name of target web page. I am taking the web page name page1.html, angle bracket closes, LAN network, and I close the anchor tag. Now, carefully understand the meaning of this command. Then I will proceed further with the internal link concept. When I will click on this hyperlink LAN network, I will get connected with a different web page whose name is page1.html. Japjot Singh, am I clear with the lecture? 21, roll number 10th A, Japjot Singh. Clicking upon the hyperlink LAN network, you will get connected with page1.html web page. This is our target web page. Okay? Beta, this is example of external link. This is how we create the external link. Clear? Now today I come to the topic of internal linking. Internal by name it is very clear, हमें वेब पेज के अंदर जाना है. एक्सटर्नल लिंक क्या कहता है? एक्सटर्नल लिंक कहता है मैं आपको दूसरे वेब पेज के साथ कनेक्ट करवा दूंगा. बेटा इंटरनल लिंकिंग क्या कह रहा है? इंटरनल लिंकिंग मींस आई विल गेट connected to a section within the same document or to a section in the different document. Internal linking works in two ways. First way, आप एक ही वेब पेज में हो, बहुत बड़ा वेब पेज है, it's quite a lengthiest web page. You click on the hyperlink and you get connected to some section within the same page. जैसे ही आपने हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक किया, नीचे से कोई सेक्शन ऊपर आ गया. आप दूसरे वेब पेज में नहीं गए, आप उसी वेब पेज के अंदर इंटरनली वर्क कर रहे हो. यू आर within the same web page. You are not going to the separate web page. You are in the same web page. But you have jumped to a new section in the same web page. When you are working with internal linking, you have to use two attributes of anchor tag. One attribute is href attribute, the hypertext reference. The second attribute with which you are to work is name attribute. Now, what is the role of name attribute? Just now I told you, you will jump to a new section within the same web page. The name attribute will help to create that section. The name attribute will help to create that section to which you are to jump to. Here you will create one more command. एक कमांड तो हो गई सेक्शन को क्रिएट करने की. सेक्शन क्रिएट कैसे होंगे? नेम एट्रीब्यूट के साथ. हाउ टू गो टू दैट सेक्शन, हाउ यू विल जंप टू दैट सेक्शन. In order to jump to that section, you will use the href attribute, and the value of href attribute will be the name of the section to which you are to jump to. आपने जिस सेक्शन पे जाना है उस सेक्शन का नाम href की वैल्यू होगा. But your name of the section will be preceded by a special symbol called hash. Only in the case of internal linking you are to make use of hash. Am I clear to all up till here? Isha Preet, Karan Jot, Aryan, Raina, Japleen. All five of you. Am I clear to all? Karan Jot Singh, 10th A25 roll number. Raina Kalra, Japleen, Aryan. Am I clear to all? Arpit Singh, Parina, Dishant, Harleen, Laksh Kakkad. Am I clear to all 5 of you? Parth, 10th A, Dhavnesh, Arman, Jasnoor. Am I clear to all four of you? Arman Vadera, roll number 4. All right. So let us start the working of internal link. When you will practically run it, it will be more clear to you people. I have created one sample web page based on the concept of internal linking for you people. See here. I start from the H2 tag. Rest of the things are already very much clear to you. This is the paragraph which I have typed. This is the paragraph which will appear in the browser screen in the justify alignment. Okay. Now see the first command of hyperlink. I will explain this command very slowly so that you people can get to know the actual meaning of internal link. I will click on the hyperlink section 1. मैं थोड़ा गैप दे रहा हूं यहां पे ताकि क्लियर हो जाए सारा. I will click on the hyperlink section 1. When I will click on this hyperlink, I will get connected to a section whose name is container tags. This section is in the same web page as indicated by the hash symbol. Hash, name of the section to which you are to jump to by clicking on this hyperlink. Clear? ये रहा हमारा वो सेक्शन जिसे मैंने बनाया है with the help of name attribute. One important point which is to be understand today only, the value of href attribute and the value of name attribute must be same. जो सेक्शन का नाम आपने href में लिया है और जो सेक्शन का नाम नेम एट्रीब्यूट में लिया है, दे शुड बी एग्जैक्टली सेम. एम आई क्लियर? अर्यांश, तरुणदीप, दीक्षा, जयादित्य, प्रभनूर सिंह. दीक्षा तनेजा, 10th A, 12 roll number. No response is coming from your side. पता है सर ने नाम अनाउंस करने हैं, फिर भी रिस्पॉन्स नहीं दे रहे हैं. परीक्षित, अंकिता, हर्षदीप, मनमीत, जिया, केशव, 19 roll number Jia of 10th D. Jia, please take attendance also and send me after the class. Now let us do it practically. Is the browser view visible to everyone? Yes, 10th class, is the browser view visible? Carefully see how the jumping will be done. I will click on the hyperlink and you will get connected to some section in the same web page. Have you noticed? I again run it. I am in the same web page. I am not get connected with other web page. Rather, I have jumped to a new section within the same web page. Check again. I click on this hyperlink and this section becomes visible on the screen. Am I clear with the concept of internal linking? Mannat, Kritika, Jia, 20 roll number, Vanita, Princey, Himanshu, Divyansh. Am I clear? Himanshu Chopra, 19 roll number. Any doubt to any child? I make one more section. I make one more section over here. ये एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ा वेब पेज बनता है. अभी लेक्चर के लिए मैं इसमें BR लगा रहा हूं to make the concept clear to you. I make one more section here and I gave it the name empty tags. So this section will be in connection with this hyperlink. Okay. These are the tags which have only opening tag but not the closing tag. That is only start tag but no end tag. So examples I will take here: HR, BR, IMG are empty tags. Okay, clear? So I add few more BR. So let us run it practically. I click on the hyperlink, section 1. I connect it to this tag. Now I tag empty tags. Now I click on section 2. See here. Understood? See again. Again I'm going to click. Section 1 पे क्लिक करूंगा तो कंटेनर टैग खुल जाएगा. सेक्शन 2 पे क्लिक करूंगा तो एम्प्टी टैग का सेक्शन खुल जाएगा. जिन स्टूडेंट्स को इंटरनल लिंकिंग की वर्किंग क्लियर हो गई है, क्विकली रेज योर थंब. So I am showing the coding once again, and once again I am telling you, here you will make two commands. One command to create the section, second command to link to that section. One command to create the section, or you can say fragment. Section or fragment. The second command that you will create to jump to connect to link to that section. Right? Name attribute will help you to create the fragment, to create the section. href will enable you to jump to that section. Clear? This was your second linking, internal linking. Now carefully notice the line which I am going to shade in front of you. All of you carefully observe the command which I have shaded. Suppose from your web page, you want to send email to your friend. from your web page only, you want to send an email to someone, maybe any official email. Okay. So HTML provides a special keyword that acts as a link which enable the user to send email directly from the web page. That keyword is mail to. First of all, let me tell you that mail to is not a hyphenated word. It is not having any space. It is one single word. Okay? In your web page, in your coding question, if you have any instruction with respect to mail to, you will be given one email address और आपको यह कहा जाएगा कि इस हाइपरलिंक पे क्लिक करो और इस ईमेल एड्रेस पे ईमेल चली जाए. तो बिल्कुल समझ जाइएगा कि यहां पर मेल टू लगना. हाउ टू अप्लाई मेल टू? एंकर टैग href एट्रीब्यूट इक्वल टू डबल कोट्स मेल टू के बाद कोलन सिंबल, देन टाइप द ईमेल एड्रेस ऑफ द रिसीवर to whom you want to send the mail. Type the address of that person. This email address will be given to you in your coding question. You just have to type the given email over here. Right? Close the angle bracket, then create the hyperlink. Clicking upon this hyperlink, you will get connected to the email software via which you can send email to your friend or to someone to whom you want to send. Am I clear with the role of mail to 10th class?